What's going on, everybody? I know it's been a minute since I posted anything, but been busy, and I thought about it the other day, and it's been over a year since I posted this one video, so I thought I would do a little follow-up since a lot of you people reach out to me and ask how the badges are holding up. So I want to talk about the badges that I got last year, and one of the first mods I did on here, it was black everything out, and I got them all off eBay. So let's take a look real quick at what they look like. So with this badge, the only little imperfect thing is this right here. I don't know if you can make that out, but probably a rock jumped up there and snagged it. But other than that, it's looking really good. The front outie rings, I mean, they are still, the sun's hitting it, so it's making it look a little brown, but they are black as anything. So that part looks really good still. So let's move around to the back. The back rings here are still just fine. No issues with them. And then last but not least, the SQ5 Badge here in the back. Again, still perfect on this. Even the red is still looking fantastic. So, that being said, I am very happy with the results of these badges still. I think that they're fantastic, and they make the car look so much better being blacked out. So, hope you guys updated this, or like this update. So let me know if there's anything else you want to see. I think I might do something next on the Maxton kit, since I have all the pieces on there, and it's been about a year for it as well. So until next time, later.